Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Tech Cyber. In this video I will show you how to buy subscription of Hotstar VIP for free using your Flipkart supercoins for 1 year. So before getting into the video, if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and click on all for instant notifications of my latest videos. Open your Flipkart app and click on the Supercoin tab. Here you have to own minimum 399 supercoins to buy the subscription of Hotstar VIP. If you have the minimum supercoins, then go to the rewards. Here scroll down a little bit and here you can see this 12-month subscription to Disney Plus Hotstar VIP. Click on this and this will use your 399 supercoins and then click on yes and continue. Now you have successfully claimed the offer of Disney Plus Hotstar VIP for 1 year using your 399 supercoins. After claiming this offer, you should copy this offer code by tapping on it. After copying it, come back and go to rewards. And now tap on this badge icon and click on this Hotstar claimed offer. Here scroll down and click on view terms and conditions. You have to redeem your offer code by clicking on this link. Only on this page you have to redeem your subscription, so scroll down a bit and enter your mobile number. After entering your number, click on continue. Now you will get the OTP on your number. Enter it and click on continue. In this page, you have to fill some of your personal details like your name, age and gender. After entering those details, click on continue. Now here you have to enter the redeem code which you have copied before. Long press on the clipboard and paste it. Then click on apply. Now your Disney Plus Hotstar subscription for 1 year is active. To use your subscription on the Hotstar app, open the Hotstar app. After opening it, click on the 3 lines on the top left corner and go to the login page. Here you have to enter the mobile number where your subscription is active. After entering the mobile number, you will get an OTP which will be automatically filled by the phone itself. So that's it guys, your subscription of Hotstar for 1 year is active now. You can use this subscription in 5 devices. And thanks for watching my video. If this video was useful, hit a like, share, subscribe and comment. See you on my next video.